A powerful explosion hit a procession of Shiite Muslims in central Pakistan on Thursday, wounding at least 30 people, witnesses and a Shiite leader said. There were unconfirmed reports of deaths among the victims. Videos circulating on social media showed police and ambulances rushing toward the site of the bombing. Several wounded people were seen waiting for help along a road in the deeply conservative city of Bahawalnagar in the eastern Punjab province where the attack took place. A Shiite leader, Khawar Shafkat, confirmed the bombing in a statement but provided no further details. No government official or police officials were available for comment, as authorities had suspended mobile phone service across the country a day ago ahead of the Ashura festival. The annual commemoration mourns the 7th century death of Prophet Muhammad's grandson Hussein, one of Shiite Islam's most beloved saints. For Shiites, the remembrance of Hussein is an emotional event that sees many believers weep over his death at the Battle of Karbala in present-day Iraq. During the Ashura processions, which are held across the world, many participants beat their backs with chains, flagellating themselves in a symbolic expression of regret for not being able to help Hussein before his martyrdom.